Hey guys, in this tutorial video you're going to learn how to create a folder in your Google Drive account. So let us dive into this. Alright, so in the first step head over to Google Drive, and there are basically two different ways how you can create folders to share with your contacts. The first option would be to right click on the location here to the right, for instance on My Drive. And once you click on it with your right mouse, you will be given access to that drop-down menu. So to create a new folder, simply click on New Folder or use the shortcut Alt-C and then F to do that. So that's the first option. The other option would be, guys, to simply use your space here to the right and click anywhere you like with your right mouse, for example here, and repeat the same process. Click on New Folder or use the shortcut for that. Next, give your folder a name in that window here. For instance, let me name it Test Folder 123. Confirm by clicking on Create here, and that is going to create the folder in your location. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful, and we'll catch you later.